Hi guys, hello my beautiful people. It's your girl Forever Beauty World and you're welcome to my channel. I believe you saw the thumbnail of this video and the title of it for you to know that this particular video is all about stitch braid hairstyle. Yes, you heard me right, stitch braid hairstyle. So in this particular video, you'll be seeing so many stitch braid hairstyle tutorial ranging from the normal cornrow, the ponytail stitch braid, one side stitch braid, just name it, whichever stitch braid hairstyle you could think of. I mean the stylish and beautiful ones. You'll be seeing the tutorials, you'll be seeing the hairstyles idea in this particular video. And to my new babies, that is for those of you that are just coming across my channel for the first time, hey, you're welcome to Forever Beauty World channel, where I make videos about beauty, hairstyle and fashion. Please hit on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. And hey, let me tell you the truth, subscription is actually free. You don't need to pay a dime in order to subscribe to the channel. It's free, so please guys, hit on the subscribe button to join the amazing family. And to my OGs, my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you guys so much. God will continue to bless you and replenish your pockets. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to share out this video, like, comment. That is, tell me any of the hairstyle that is your favorite or any of them that you have tried out. Or if you were able to know or get any idea of how to do your stitch braid hairstyle from this video, let me know in the comment section because I'll be glad to hear you guys feedback as well. Wow, look at this particular one. The hairstylist is actually using comb, to section the stitch braid hairstyle, which means you need patience in order to achieve this particular hairstyle. And the hairstylist actually did a perfect job. The color combination, that is the hair extension, and this pretty lady's hair is so amazing. Like, the color combination is so perfect. Try and check out other of my videos too in this channel because I have so many amazing videos, so many amazing hairstyle videos in this channel that you will love. And as you watch them, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share if you are yet to. Look at the outcome now. Isn't this perfect? This is so perfect and beautiful. If you are watching this extent and you're yet to give a thumbs up, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.